Hello and welcome to Library Orientation for Dr. Mercer's Legal and Ethical Issue class. I am Natalie Edwards and I am a librarian with Middle Georgia State University Library. Today I will be demonstrating how to perform a search in Galileo and cite your sources. Before we search, we need to know our search terms. When searching in Galileo, you need to search specific terms instead of full sentences. So if your research question is, what is the difference in morals and ethics and information technology? Your search terms would be morals, ethics, and information technology. The next tip to help you search these terms are Boolean operators. Your operators are and, or, and not. And will retrieve results that contain those search terms, or will retrieve results that have one or the other search terms. Not will retrieve results that do not contain that search term. Also, any multi-word terms need to be enclosed by quotes, as you can see with information technology. Now that we know our search terms, we can begin our Galileo search. The link to Galileo is on the MGA Library homepage. There are two different search options in Galileo, Bento and Classic. For our purposes, we want to select Classic. Once you have entered your search terms, click Search. At first, we have a lot of results consisting of ebooks and articles and magazines and reviews. We want to narrow these results down using these limiters on the left side. First, let's select full text. By selecting full text, we are weeding out any results that we do not have full access to. You also have the option of limiting to scholarly peer-reviewed journals by date and by type. For my purposes, I want to limit to academic journals. As you can see, we're now down to 34,000 results. And let's also change our publication date to, let's say, the past 10 years. So 2012. And hit Enter. And now we've narrowed it even further to 19,000. If you'd like to narrow it down even further, you're certainly welcome to. As you see in a lot of our results, we have the PDF full text or a link to another site which will give us full access. And if you look in these subjects, you'll see our search terms in bold. Let's look at this article. So these are your article details. This will be all of the information that you need to cite your source. And if you'd like to read your source, you have two options with this result. We have HTML full text and PDF full text. And this is what this article looks like. If you'd like to go back to the detailed record, you can click right here where it says detailed record on the left side. There are citation guides to help you on the library homepage. On the right side, you have this option for citation guides. Here we have a guide for every type of citation you may need to create in college. The one we currently want right now is the APA 7th edition. This is a short handout to help you with in-text citation as well as your reference list. If you need additional help, we highly recommend the Purdue OWL. That link can also be found with the citation guides at the bottom. You will need to scroll down and select the APA guide. And then for your citations, you want the formatting and style guide. Here they have a lot of examples for in-text citations as well as reference lists of several different types of sources. This concludes our tutorial on searching through Galileo. However, should you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me or any of our other librarians. Here on the home page, we have several different ways you can contact us. We have a chat box here where a live person is there to answer one of your questions, and it is one of the MGA librarians. If it's unavailable, it'll be grayed out, and it's only unavailable when we are closed. If you'd like a longer appointment with a librarian, we have this Book a Librarian option right here. And you're always welcome to email or call your embedded librarian, which can be found on your D2L homepage for your class. Thank you and have a great day.